Joey B here with Cook Local, sponsored by NEC Coop Energy with Grow Local South Texas. And I'm here today to show you guys some simple recipes that you can do in the comfort of your own home with the help of the local farmers market in Corpus Christi, Texas. So we're gonna do beet gnocchi with roasted leeks, butternut squash, toasted eggplant with a little bit of pecorino cheese and some pancetta. So we got our eggplant and we got our butternut squash. So when we're roasting, we want to cut the top off and a little bit of the bottom and then go down the center, right here. And just spoon it out. Super easy. Don't be afraid to season. Seasoning is an essential part of eating good. Leek's also gonna get roasted. We'll wash them out, pat them dry with a little paper towel. Never cook with dirty vegetables. If you cook with dirty vegetables, you're gonna taste dirt. So we're gonna just do medallions for now, like this. We're gonna put these down first, right there. And I just place these little bad boys on top. A little more oil. Slap this in the oven, 420 degrees. We'll take this bad boy and then pop that with all the other stuff. We're gonna quarter it out. Salt. Shake, 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 shake. So we're gonna cut this top off. Take this peeler and peel away. We want uniform cuts so that everything cooks evenly. I'm gonna give you a real quick tip. The knife is this big, right? So when you use your knife, use that whole knife instead of chopping down, because what happens is that the blade dulls from the chop. Yep, look at that. They charred up a little bit, but it's okay. We can add them to our compost. Nothing's wasted. Oh, look at that. If it just goes in there like that, that's how you know it's done. It's ready, fork tender, or in this case, peeler tender. All right, gonna roast the eggplant. 15 minutes. So we got our beets and our now orange Yukon potatoes. Put those at the bottom. Boom, they're nice and fork tender. Let's toss our flour in. So we're gonna add one whole egg. So we're just gonna use the yolk in this. We're gonna separate it like a fancy chef does and add that yolk. We're just gonna crush that yolk and basically just smash this up like that. So you see how it's kind of turning into a paste? Look how I'm working it. Boom, and it's all kind of coming together a little bit. But you really want to make sure everything is smashed out. Add a little more flour. It's like Play-Doh. Pushing it into itself, folding it, folding it. You're gonna poke it. See how it starts to give back? See that? Cool, that's when we know we're good. Parents said don't play with your food until you made pasta from scratch. Yeah, cool, we're roasted. Now, my favorite part, we're gonna cut some pancetta. We're gonna cut this in half, okay? Then we're gonna turn it sideways. We're gonna cut it into little fat pieces of bacon strip, about 1/4 to 1/8 of an inch. I'll show you how to peel this. Super simple. If it's done right, you can just peel that back piece off like that. GBD, golden brown delicious, son. Let's square this off. We got really, really beautiful color right here. All right, look at that. Look at that. It's nice and soft, super soft. The butternut. Who doesn't love the butternut squash? It's time to process this gnocchi. It's rested for a little bit. Portion this out and work in small sections. We're gonna roll this out. Boom. Boop. Boom, move it over right there. You want everything to be the same size. Just roll this on the back of the fork like this. But yeah, I really get everything I do from my mom. She's 100% my credo, my structure. She's my rock. This is one of my favorite things to do is listen to pancetta or bacon cook. This water's boiling. We'll go ahead and start on gnocchi. So here we have the dandelion greens, a little bit of that arugula, and the tops from the beet. So we're just gonna rough chop this right here. And we're gonna let this break down in that fat. Let's get it going. You see that sizzle? We're just gonna wilt the greens a little bit. Everything else is cooked. Let's add a little bit of, boom, some leek. Let's add a little bit of our Bada bing, eggplant. And let's get some of that squash. Cool, so all these colors real vibrant right here. Throw some salt in there. So let's go ahead and add some garlic. That's a lot of garlic, but I like garlic. We're just gonna stir it up like this. You can hear it all getting good. Look at that, look at those beautiful colors. See those beautiful colors? Such vibrant. This is what food should look like. Cooking weird things that you're not used to. We're gonna add a heaping spoonful of butter. The brininess of the caper really cuts back on some of the saltiness of the pancetta, so we're gonna add that in there as well, because who doesn't love capers? So we're sizzling, right? We're here. We're gonna open this pan up, and we're gonna drop our gnocchi right in the center. Look at that. You get a little flip right there. That's how you do it in the industry. I'm gonna go cream on the outside, and then incorporate it in with a little twist. Gonna let it reduce. We're gonna add 2 layers of cheese, okay? Right there. With that cheese, tightening it up. Boom, 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 it's gone. Let's get this bad boy. You ready for it? Look at this. One for the homie right here. Thanks for watching Cook Local. Oh. This club.